What's up friends? This is JIESCA tutorial on JIESCA Show. Are you having problems with your data computations? For example, you want to compute for a summation, product, or average of a large data. Well, in this simple tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can do all these computations using an online platform that is totally free.
Wow!
So please, don't skip any part of this video so that you won't miss anything in the process. Before we start, let us discuss first what is Google Sheets. Google Sheets is a spreadsheet program included as part of a free web-based software office suite offered by Google within its Google Drive service. Google Sheets serves as a collaborative tool for cooperative editing of spreadsheets in real time. The app allows users to create and edit files online while collaborating with other users in real time. The app is compatible with Microsoft Excel file format. Hi, so before you can use Google Sheets, you need to create a Google account.
Okay.
So you go to this website, google.com/account/about, and then you click here, create an account. On the next window, you fill in all the necessary or important information in order to create your Google account.
Okay.
And then you click next. Once you have created your account, you need to log in your account in Google. You just go to this website, docs.google.com/spreadsheets, and then you will be welcome on a window something like this, or you will be welcome on a window with a blank spreadsheet like this.
Wow!
So in this table, we have three sections: the item, the price, and also the number of pieces. So we are going to solve this one using multiplication. By the way, in a spreadsheet, we have what we call a cell, and a cell is determined by the letter and also the number. So here, the name of this cell is E5.
Okay.
So we are going to put here a formula in order to solve this item, the price, and also number of pieces. So remember always guys that a formula will start always with an equal sign, and then since we are going to use multiplication, we are going to put here the function product, and then followed by an open parenthesis, and then you click the cell of the price followed by a comma, and then next is the cell of the number of pieces, and then you followed by a close parenthesis, and then you press enter. Okay, so you have there the result.
Wow!
So let's do it over here. Again, let's start with an equal sign, and then let's use the function product, open parenthesis, and then you can do it like this. You're going to select both, so the spreadsheet will type it there automatically,
Okay.
and then you close the parenthesis and press enter. Now if you have a very long data here, or a very big data, and you are going to use the same formula, so you can do it like this, so your job will be easier and faster. You click the first cell, and you go here on the lower right corner with this very small blue square. You click that one, you hold the left mouse, and then you drag it downward, and then you release. So it will solve automatically everything. So that will make your job easier and faster. Now over here in the lower section, we have the total. So we're going to solve using addition, this total prices here per item. So we are going to put a formula. So we have to start with an equal sign. And since we are using addition, we're going to use the sum function,
Okay.
and then open parenthesis. You can now select everything here in the total section. So the spreadsheet will type it for you automatically, and then you close it, and then you press enter.
Wow!
So there you go, you have the result or the total price of all your items. So in this table, we have different sections like the subjects, quiz number 1, number 2, quiz number 3, and quiz number 4. So in this table, we are going to solve for the average of each subject. We are going to use a formula right on this cell over here, which is G6. So the name of this cell is G6. So we're going to put a formula here. So let's start with an equal sign. And since we are going to solve for the average, we are going to use the function average. And then you just type in open parentheses. And then you can select everything here. Quiz 1, 2, 3, and 4. So your spreadsheet will type it automatically for you. And then you close the parentheses. And then you press enter. So you have there the result. The average for the English subject is 90. So doing it again on this cell over here for the math subject. So let's start again with an equal sign and then type in the function average and then open parentheses. You can also select starting from the right, going to the left. It doesn't matter, left to right, right to left. The spreadsheet will type it for you automatically.
Okay.
And then you're going to close the parentheses and then you press enter. So the average for the math subject is 92.5. So here we have the section for the ICT. Since we are still using the same formula, so you can click here the item on top or the cell on top. And then you just go here in the lower right corner. You click that one and then you drag at the bottom. Since you're using the same formula, average, it will compute for the average also for the ICT subject.
Wow.
So that's it. Congratulations, you have now learned how to use Google Sheets and do some simple computations using the functions sum, product, and average.
Yes.
If you have any questions, please do leave a comment down below. And if you have learned something in this tutorial, please do not forget to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell. So once again, this is JIESCA tutorial on JIESCA Show. See you on the next video. Bye-bye!